guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel, and today I will be doing unboxing my new ring light. As you guys know, we ordered a ring light from Shopee and it just came. And yeah, before we start, make sure to like, subscribe, and turn the post notification bell. And make sure to follow me on TikTok. It's Shekinah Ari, that's all. And yeah, so yeah, let's start. Here it is, my ring light. So I am kind of obsessed with the bubble wraps. As you guys know, I'm obsessed with bubble wraps. So, okay, so I got some scissors, and yeah, so I'm gonna start opening it. So, on my last video, you guys make sure to follow my friend too. Hi. So yeah. Okay guys, so here it is. My mom is just gonna put her name on the side, on like mine on TikTok. So yeah. So we're gonna wait. I don't know where to start at. I think this side. Alright, I'm gonna go down. So I'm just gonna push it. Hey. Alright guys, I'm gonna open it now. I don't know where to start now. Just gonna cut this. Okay. Oof. This is my first time ordering ring light. I'm just gonna go up. This kind of just slow. I'm gonna put right color. I put this here. Okay. That's the wow. Anyway, guys, I have cough. Okay. Because I think I'm gonna feel. Alright, now it's done. So I am done getting it. Alright, time to get this out. Oh wow, it's super duper heavy. Hey, it's heavy. I'm gonna put it in the side first. Alright. So I'm gonna get this. Okay. By the way guys, the one that I ordered has a phone holder. And yeah, whoa. Wow. Okay. Ooh, okay, and now I'm gonna open this. Okay, no, I'm gonna open this stand first because I am excited to see it. Okay. So this is this one. So I'm just gonna. Okay, so I'm gonna get it. Wow! Whoa! It's amazing! Okay. Whoa! Whoa! I don't know how to do this. Okay guys, so it's kind of hard to get that. As you guys see, look at that. I don't know how to get those. Okay, so yeah, be right back.
2,000 years later.
Okay, so here it is. I didn't expect this to be super high. So yeah, I can still adjust it. Time to open this one. One and only. If this has my phone holder and the light. Okay. And 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Okay. Okay. Oh my god. It has it. I'm gonna try to put my phone. Cannot. My phone cannot be fit. Mom, my phone does not fit. I'm gonna try. I don't. Is this fine? It's big. I'm gonna try put it. Okay, guys. So here it is. Is this big enough or small? Let's see. and try it with my head. I mean, like, it fits my head, but like, hi, I'm gonna try put. Hi, little baby. My brother just woke up. Oopsie. My brother just woke up. Alright, so I'm gonna turn off the camera first. Montage. Dun, 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 dun. This is so hard. Okay, yay! This is the final product. Yep. It is. Okay. Ooh la la. That's good. Don't move it. I'm gonna light it up. Woo. Okay, that's my phone. It's like a big fat button. Wait, okay. Hurry. Hello. Alright, so done. I'm gonna test it out, the light. Be right back. Alright guys, so this is the final product. Alright, so I'm gonna try it now. I want to see it. Try it. Ano bro? Relax. Color, I don't know. Alright guys, so this is the final product, and yeah. So thank you guys for watching. Make sure to like, subscribe, and turn the post notification bell. So yeah, bye guys.